You're watching a Payentry.com tutorial by CBiz Payroll. Today we will be discussing how to run standard reports from the Payentry.com system. We will review a few basic reports. However, the CBiz system gives you access to dozens of reports that you may find useful. This guide is intended to get you started on the concept of reporting and give you the necessary tools to explore in more depth on your own. Let's get started. From the main menu, select the Reports option. You will see a list of company reports displayed, sorted by report name. You may run any of the reports listed in this screen. For today's training, we will just cover the top 3 payroll reports: the Payroll Register, Payroll Summary report, and Labor Distribution. Any report can be run by selecting the Run link on the right-hand side. In the next screen, you will see several sections that allow you to modify the default options. You can either run the report using the defaults, or you can customize the report for your needs. The date range includes several pre-selected ranges, such as year-to-date, current month, or individual quarters. This report will be run based on the check date in the payroll system, so keep this in mind when selecting the date range. To select a custom date range, simply click Override Dates and enter any date range you choose. The default sort order will be by department and then employee name. You can modify this to one of the present 4 options. Most reports have additional formulas that are specific to that report. The Payroll Register allows you to add a year-to-date column as well as roll on an earnings to consolidate duplicates, earning codes on a specific check date, and employee record, such as multiple lines of regular pay. The output format allows you to choose what type of file will be generated. All standard report default to a PDF output, and CBiz recommends that standard reports be run in this default output selection. To run the report based on specific filtering criteria, you may choose the field to filter and then your options, such as a specific employee ID. There are 2 options for delivery of the report. You can either email the report or view it in your current web browser, or both. We will choose just to view this report. To generate the report, click Run Report. You will notice that the system creates a Report Request Queued message indicating that your report is currently being processed. This is generally a very quick process but can depend on the amount of data that's being pulled. To view the report, click on the Pickup Area link. That will take you to the Pickup Area tab. This tab stores all reports generated in the system within the last 24 hours. The blue check mark indicates that the report has been successfully processed. To view the report, click on the Download link. This report will provide a check-by-check listing of the gross to net calculation for any date range. At the end of the report is a total information. Note: reports will always open in your current web browser. You do not want to close your browser when you're finished with the report. Instead, simply click the back button to return to the pickup area. Next, we are going to run the Payroll Summary report. This report is a company-level report that will show the total payroll liability, tax amounts, and bank transfers. We recommend that you review this report after every payroll for an overview of the information that had been processed. To run this report, click on the Run link. This will generate a similar screen to the last report. Since there is no employee information, the sorting and filtering options are not available. Click Run Report and you can again view this report in the pickup area for 24 hours. As you can see, this report has 3 main sections: payroll liability, tax liability, and transfers. The third report we will review is the labor distribution. This report is similar to the Payroll Register, except that it allows for departmental allocations and includes employer payroll taxes. Click the Run link next to the Labor Distribution Report, choose the date range, and then Run Report. As you can see, this is similar to the Payroll Register. However, there is an additional column for employer taxes, such as unemployment tax. Labor will be allocated by department, so employees may appear multiple times on this report, depending on how many departments they allocate labor to in a given payroll check date. The labor allocation report will allocate wages, taxes, deductions, and net pay by department. You should be able to generate any reports from this menu, but if you have additional questions about reporting, please contact your CBIZ service team or account manager. If you are not currently using CBIZ services and would like to learn more, please contact us using the information listed on this screen. Thanks and have a great day.